Sheikh Muhammad Naveed Ashrafi. One of the callers asked in relation to the Green Dome being demolished and plans. What's your opinion in relation to that, and are you providing authentic references for whether this is actually going to happen or whether it's authentic?
Again, according to reports that we have received, and Allama Sahab has the references with him, that this is also in the pipeline. They do plan to, demolish that as well. And because they follow their deviant sheikh, who is the so-called Shaykh al-Islam, Ibn Taymiyyah, who believes that all this is necessary, as did Ibn Baz, because they are all from the family of this Ibn Abdul Wahhab, and known as the Ali Sheikh. This is what each and every scholar that is appointed, he follows this cult that was produced and established by Ibn Taymiyyah, and part of that, they deem this as necessary, that these graves need to be demolished, and they are prepared to, unless the Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'ah, the Muslims, they unite and they protest against this. It is in the pipeline that they want to demolish this, because they think this is a Sanam Akbar, that this is something that we worship, whereas this is not true at all. Not even remotely that any Sunni Muslim visits the shrines or the graves of the awliya or the anbiya with the intention of worshipping them, but this is simply done. It is a sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ, and it has been directly instructed that initially the Prophet ﷺ, he forbade this because it was close to the time of ignorance at that time, and that there was a danger. But then later he says fazuruha, which is a command of Amr, that you should go and visit the graves. And the Prophet ﷺ himself would visit the graves of the Shuhadai Uhud. He would go there himself regularly and offer Fatiha, etc. So if this is going to happen, as is mentioned, and we have references with us, this is indeed incorrect, as they have been, as we mentioned in the outset of the program, that these are part of the signs of Allah. And the Mufassirun Haq, meaning the Mufassirun of the Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'ah, have said that it is indeed blasphemous to erase the graves of, especially the sacred graves. You cannot even erase those graves which belong to a believer. So this is the grave we're talking about of Rasulullah alayhi salatu wasalam. It is indeed the most sacred.
If I just perhaps ask you at this point, the last caller, Brother Imran, made some points, and he made a valid point in relation to, can't we as adults sit down, perhaps around a table, meet with the Saudis, prominent scholars from our side, and speak to them?
What happens in that situation is that, first of all, we would have to be on common grounds. If you go there, because it's a monarchy, they are barbaric and they're tyrants. When you try and enter into a dialogue, they won't debate with you. Because they are those people who are known as, qawmun la yaqilun. They have no aql at all. They don't want to debate with you. They will simply arrest you. As soon as you speak against them, I've personally experienced this.
Okay, so you've tried.
Personally, I've tried, and I almost got arrested. So this is what happens. When you debate with them, you provide proof to them from the Quran and the Hadith. They will not want to debate with you. They'll say, it's either my way or the highway. There's no other way.
My way or the highway, with your permission.
These people, they do not want to debate. They do not want to do dialogue. They will simply impose their ideology on you. So you either accept it or you get arrested. Any person who debates and you want to provide proof from the Quran and Hadith, as we can always verify and substantiate what our Aqidah is from the Quran and the Hadith, and from the example of the Sahaba who have been declared as the criterion of Iman.
Okay, so I mean, you've said that they're not willing to listen to us.
They will arrest you. They will simply arrest you.
So the question then arises: what's the point of us sitting here and debating on the issue? What are we going to achieve?
Is to make other people aware of their crimes, their atrocities against, against Deen, and that they are a cult and they are not a religion. This is a cult. You cannot even refer